The biggest human secret. Are Anunnaki descendants real? Humans share 8 of their DNA with an unknown hominid species. This is a shocking discovery. Scientists found this genetic link. It points to a mysterious past. We are talking about the Anunnaki today. Are Anunnaki descendants real? This is the biggest human secret. Ancient Sumerian texts speak of them. These texts are very old. They come from Mesopotamia. These writings describe beings from another planet. They called these beings the Anunnaki. They came to Earth long ago. They came from a planet called Nibiru. This planet has a very long orbit. It passes near Earth every 3,600 years. This is what the ancient texts say. The Sumerian tablets are made of clay. They tell a fantastic story. These tablets are very detailed. They describe the Anunnaki as advanced beings. They had great knowledge. They had advanced technology. They taught humans many things. They taught farming. They taught writing. They taught how to build cities. According to researchers like Zecharia Sitchin, these texts are historical records, not just myths. Sitchin was a scholar. He translated many of these ancient tablets. He believed the Anunnaki were real. His work has sparked much debate. The tablets claim the Anunnaki came for gold. Gold was needed for their planet. Nibiru's atmosphere was in trouble. Gold dust could help fix it. Earth had plenty of gold. The Anunnaki started mining it. They first did the hard work themselves. Then they grew tired. This is what the stories tell us. They needed help with the mining. They decided to create a worker race. They used existing primitive humans. They mixed Anunnaki DNA with early human DNA. This created modern humans. We were made to serve them. We were made to mine gold. This is the core of the Anunnaki theory. It suggests our origins are not natural. It suggests we were engineered. Dr. Michael S. Heiser, a scholar of ancient languages, offers a different view. He argues that Sitchin's translations are flawed. Heiser states that the term Anunnaki in Sumerian texts refers to deities or gods. It does not refer to extraterrestrial beings. His research suggests these were mythological figures. They were not literal space travelers. Heiser's academic work focuses on the original texts. He looks at their true context. He points out linguistic errors in Sitchin's interpretations. This shows that expert opinions can differ greatly. Many ancient cultures have flood myths. These stories are very similar. The Sumerian texts have a great flood story too. The Anunnaki decided to let humanity perish. One Anunnaki, Enki, warned a human. This human was named Utnapishtim. He built an ark. He saved his family. He saved animals. This echoes the biblical Noah's Ark story. The similarities are striking. This makes people wonder, could these ancient stories be true? Other ancient texts hint at similar events. The Epic of Gilgamesh is another old text. It also tells of a great flood. It mentions wise beings. These beings had powers. They gave knowledge to humans. These patterns are found worldwide. They are not just in Sumeria. This adds to the mystery. Consider ancient structures. The pyramids of Egypt are massive. They are incredibly precise. They were built with huge stones. How did ancient people move them? How did they cut them so perfectly? Some stones weigh many tons. Modern engineers still wonder. Some believe advanced technology was used. This technology was beyond human ability at the time. Could the Anunnaki have helped? This is a question many ask. The precise alignment of pyramids is also mysterious. They align with stars. They align with constellations. The Giza pyramids align with Orion's belt. This alignment is very exact. It suggests astronomical knowledge. This knowledge was very advanced. Did early humans possess this knowledge? Or was it given to them? The Nazca Lines in Peru are another puzzle. These are huge drawings on the desert floor. They can only be seen from above. They depict animals. They depict geometric shapes. Some lines are incredibly long and straight. Who made them? Why were they made? Some theories suggest they were signals. They were signals for beings from the sky. This connects to the Anunnaki idea. Other ancient sites show odd features. Pumapunku in Bolivia has strange stonework. The stones are cut with incredible precision. They have complex shapes. They fit together like puzzle pieces. There are no mortar lines. It looks like machine cuts. These cuts are hard to explain. They predate known advanced tools. This makes people question traditional history. Dr. Richard Doty, a former intelligence officer, once claimed to have seen government documents. These documents allegedly discussed extraterrestrial involvement in human history. Such claims, though often unsubstantiated, fuel conspiracy theories. They make people believe secret knowledge exists. This knowledge is kept from the public. Such narratives often lack concrete proof. They stir public imagination. The cuneiform script is the first writing system. It appeared in Sumer. It was very advanced for its time. It allowed complex record-keeping. It allowed for laws. It allowed for history. Did humans invent this alone? Or was it a gift? The sudden rise of such a complex system is puzzling. It happened very quickly. It happened in Sumeria. This adds to the Anunnaki theory. Early human agriculture also started in Sumer. This was around 10,000 BC. People moved from hunting to farming. They planted crops. They domesticated animals. This led to settled societies. This led to cities. This was a huge jump. It changed human life forever. Was this a natural development? Or was it guided? The Sumerians had an advanced understanding of astronomy. They charted star movements. They tracked planets. They even knew about planets far away. These planets are hard to see. They built detailed star maps. They knew about the precession of the equinoxes. This is a very complex concept. It takes long-term observation. How did they get this knowledge? This is a deep mystery. The development of law is another wonder. The Code of Uarnamu is very old. It is from Sumer. It dates to around 2100 to 2050 BC. It is one of the oldest law codes. It shows a structured society. It shows rules for daily life. This was a very early form of justice. Did the Anunnaki teach them order? This is a common question among theorists. Ancient stories mention strange beings. They are half human, half god. These stories are everywhere. They are in Greek myths. They are in Egyptian legends. They are in Norse sagas. These beings had special powers. They had long lives. They were often rulers. They taught humans. Were these the children of the Anunnaki? Were they the first hybrids? Some believe human royalty are these descendants. Kings and queens. Emperors and pharaohs. They claimed divine right to rule. They said their blood was special. They said it was from the gods. This idea is very old. It goes back thousands of years. Could their bloodline carry Anunnaki genes? This is a dark thought. The theory suggests a bloodline, a special bloodline, carries Anunnaki traits. These traits are hidden. They are passed down through generations. These people might have special abilities. They might have higher intelligence. They might have natural leadership. This is a powerful idea. It suggests a secret ruling class. Ancient religious texts are also examined. The Bible mentions Nephilim. They are described as giants. They are children of sons of God and daughters of men. This is a very mysterious passage. Some interpret sons of God as fallen angels. Others interpret them as Anunnaki. This means these beings mated with humans. They created a hybrid race. The Book of Enoch details these watchers. These are angelic beings. They came to earth. They took human wives. They taught humans forbidden knowledge. They taught magic. They taught warfare. This led to corruption. This led to the Great Flood. The parallels to the Anunnaki story are striking. They are very similar. The idea of starseeds is also related. This is a modern belief. Some people feel they are from other planets. They feel they have a mission on Earth. They feel a deep connection to space. They feel different from others. Could these feelings be ancient memories? Could they be echoes of Anunnaki heritage? This is a truly unsettling concept. Modern genetics offers some clues. The human genome is complex. It contains junk DNA. This DNA has no known function. Scientists are still studying it. Could this junk DNA hold secrets? Could it contain Anunnaki genetic code? This is a possibility for some. It is a long shot for others. According to a 2013 study published in the journal Nature, ancient DNA analysis shows interbreeding events between early Homo sapiens and other hominin groups like Neanderthals and Denisovans. This fact demonstrates that human evolution was not a simple, linear process. It was a complex mix of different groups. It involved genetic exchanges. While this study does not confirm Anunnaki presence, it does prove that our ancestors mixed with other species. This opens the door to similar possibilities. It shows that ancient human populations were not isolated. They interacted and reproduced with other groups. The Rh-negative blood type is another puzzle. Most humans are Rh positive. A small percentage are Rh negative. This blood type is rare. It is more common in some groups. These groups are from certain regions. They are from the Basque Country. They are from some Middle Eastern areas. Rh-negative mothers can have problems. Their bodies can reject an Rh-positive baby. This is unusual in nature. It suggests a different origin. Could this blood type be a mark? A mark of Anunnaki lineage? This is a very bold claim. The concept of a missing link in human evolution also adds to the mystery. There is a gap between early hominids and modern humans. The transition seems very fast. It seems too quick. It seems like a sudden jump. Could this jump be explained? Could it be explained by genetic intervention? This is a question for many. Many artifacts are found worldwide. They show strange figures. They show beings with large eyes. They show beings with odd heads. They show beings with wings. Some depict starships. Some show advanced tools. The Dogu statues from Japan are one example. They look like astronauts. The Ubaid statues from Mesopotamia are another. They have reptilian features. These ancient images are hard to explain. They are very unusual. The Sumerian king list is a fascinating document. It lists kings. It lists their reign lengths. Some kings ruled for thousands of years. This is impossible for normal humans. It suggests these early rulers were different. Were they Anunnaki? Were they their immediate descendants? This is a very old question. The existence of Sumer itself is a mystery. It appeared suddenly. It was highly advanced. It had writing. It had cities. It had laws. It had astronomy. It had complex social structures. It seemed to come out of nowhere. This is often called the Sumerian problem. How did a civilization leap so far? This is a central point for Anunnaki theorists. The legends of fallen gods are common. They are found across cultures. Gods who rebelled. Gods who were cast out. Gods who interacted with humans. They taught them secrets. They often caused trouble. Were these the Anunnaki? Were they different factions of Anunnaki? This is a very dark thought. The idea of a cosmic war is also present. Ancient texts mention battles. Battles between gods. Battles in the heavens. Battles on earth. These wars were destructive. They used powerful weapons. They changed the landscape. Could these be literal accounts? Could they be descriptions of Anunnaki conflicts? This is a chilling thought. The potential for advanced ancient technology is also explored. The Baghdad battery is one example. It looks like an ancient battery. It dates back thousands of years. Could produce electricity. What was it used for? How did ancient people know about electricity? This is a very puzzling artifact. The Antikythera mechanism is another. It is an ancient Greek device. Predicted astronomical positions. Predicted eclipses. It was incredibly complex. It was like an ancient computer. It was made around 150 to 100 BC. No other device like it was made for 1,000 years. How was it built? Where did the knowledge come from? Some researchers believe a global cataclysm happened. It reset human civilization. This cataclysm could be the flood, could be an asteroid impact, could be a cosmic event. This event destroyed a previous advanced age. It forced survivors to start over. The Anunnaki might have been involved. They might have caused it. They might have survived it. The concept of cyclic history is also related. History repeats itself. Civilizations rise and fall. Knowledge is gained. Knowledge is lost. Then it is rediscovered. Could the Anunnaki return? Could they visit Earth again? Their planet Nibiru is said to have a cycle. It returns every 3,600 years. This idea is very unsettling. The deep state is often linked to this theory. A secret group. They control governments. They control information. They hide the truth. They hide the Anunnaki evidence. They keep humanity in the dark. This group might even be Anunnaki descendants. They might be protecting their lineage. This is a very dark conspiracy. The implications are profound. If the Anunnaki created us, if they still influence us, then our understanding of history is wrong. Our understanding of religion is wrong. Our understanding of our place in the universe is wrong. This would change everything. It would change our identity. It would change our purpose. The search for truth continues. Scholars examine ancient texts. Scientists analyze DNA. Archaeologists dig for clues. We piece together fragments. We try to understand our past. We try to understand our origins. The mystery of the Anunnaki remains. It hangs over humanity. It suggests a hidden legacy. A legacy of alien creators. Are Anunnaki descendants among us? Are they pulling the strings? The ancient texts whisper their story. The anomalies in our history hint at their presence. The scientific puzzles remain unsolved. The question lingers. Is humanity a grand experiment? Are we merely the offspring of beings from another world? The answer, perhaps, lies hidden in our very own DNA. It may be the biggest secret of all. This is a chilling thought.